Welcome back. Now, one of the important features of cPanel is going to be Fantastico. And you'll find Fantastico in the software section. Now, Fantastico is not always a part of cPanel by default. In some cases, you may have to ask your host to make sure that it's there, and in other cases, you may even have to pay extra for the hosting. What you have in Fantastico is a way to automatically install a number of scripts that you can use on your website and your domain, and to help you in your business or organization. Clicking inside of any link will show you a number of choices for each section. There are a number of options for blogs, not just WordPress. There are a number of options for customer support. Now, the advantage of using Fantastico is that the installation happens automatically. So all you'll have to do is determine your contact information. So for example, you'll see here that there are live chat applications. We can click any one of these links, and we're then given a page where we can install a new copy of the software on our domain. We determine the directory, as well as the username and password. We then click Submit. Once we have our information, we can then click Proceed. Fantastico will start the installation process for us automatically. And we can then visit the site and then log in. And we then have access to this application on our domain. Now, it's beyond the scope of this course to explore Fantastico fully. However, you now understand what Fantastico can do for you, and that is to install a number of scripts that can be helpful for you in your business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.